小米，你说，小米，你刚才不是把我的饭碗扔吗？不，
Milo, come here, please. I have a question, something to talk to you about. So, I found something. Hey, look at me, I'm talking to you. Thank you. Did you destroy our last roll of toilet paper?
I gave my bunny Jerry an orange slice for his birthday and...
Jerry, you're making a mess on the floor.
Sausage. Jerry.
Jerry.
I bet he'll lick it up.
I bet. Oh, was that sour?
Jerry is drunk.
Is he choking? Oh my god.
No, he's okay.
What is he doing?
He probably won't still be chewing juice.
What the heck was that?
He's gonna look it up. But you better look it up. Jerry, look it up! That's hilarious.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jerry.
Jerry.
Good boy.
So I eat a banana every morning, which means I have to go to the grocery store a lot just for bananas. And sometimes people ask me, why do you get bananas the second you run out? Like, can't you just wait to get them on your next shopping trip? But what they don't know is that I have a kid that would literally throw a tantrum if his midday snack isn't banana.